Hi there, my name is Thomas. Today I have a little bit another topic. I want to talk about crypto Sealife, about whales, and how is this connected with the value of your coins. Therefore, I made an Excel sheet again, and I'll share it with you. You will find the Excel below this video. You can download it. It is very, very complicated in crypto to find out if a project, if a coin is relatively cheap or already too expensive. Crypto is not connected, somewhat not connected to fiat. It means you have to spend fiat and you will get something which is not connected to fiat. So the only possibility, or one of the possibilities you have, one of the options, is to compare the project you are following with other projects and see how they are standing. Here I'm using a little bit another method. Okay, you can use the market cap, but I going and use the term whale. When could you be a whale? And therefore I compare it with other coins. How much do I need to spend to be a whale? And this is another way to find out if this project still is a cheap project or if it's an expensive project. You see here the Bitcoin. Maybe you can say the king of crypto. The first cryptocurrency ever. And the first one, they created the term whale, crypto whale, and so on. We do have 21 million Bitcoins around. Those prices here, they are from somewhere in the morning, a few hours ago. They say you are a whale when you own 1,000 Bitcoins plus, which is 0.004%. That sounds not much, but being a whale, you need to have roundabout, in the moment, roundabout 30 million US dollar, which is quite a lot. There is the humpback whale. And then the next smaller one, the shark, you need to have 500 Bitcoin, dolphin 100, which still is 3 millions US, and then fish, octopus, and so on. For Cardano, I thought it's not bad to use the same matrix as it was created for Bitcoin a while ago. I calculated the whale with 0.04% of all Cardano. 2 million Cardano. If you own this, if you own 2 million Cardano, you can call yourself a Cardano whale. And a shark, if you have 1 million, and so on and so on. A fish, if you have 100,000, 20,000 an octopus, and so on. This matrix I used for all those other coins. For sure, you cannot compare Bitcoin to Cardano. Bitcoin is digital gold, Cardano is an ecosystem, and all those other coins, they stand for projects running on Cardano. If you take those percentages, which is pretty good, okay, let us compare now how much we have to spend to be a whale in the different projects. It all is connected with the market cap. You can see it here. In the moment, it's a little bit low. We have a crypto winter, or it's a crypto winter already. It's my guess. I chosen CLAP. CLAP is a launch pad. It is not just a launch pad. In my opinion, it is a very, very innovative type of launch pad. I'll probably make another movie a little bit later about CLAP. There is something going on just right now in the moment. They have their first vote. And it's very, very special because this is, I think it's the only launch pad in the crypto space where the community can choose which project will be launched, and they can be one of the first investors in this token. So you just have to have CLAP tokens. You can use your CLAP tokens for voting, and then you can be one of the very early investors who can invest to those projects which being launched, which is a pretty innovative thing. And you see, the complete CLAP project is now worth $19 million. Being a CLAP whale, it's also 0.004% of 1 billion CLAP, which is rounded 50,000 CLAP. That cost you $925. Considering that CLAP is a very special launchpad, very innovative one, that's not financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is not financial advice. It's only my opinion. But my personal opinion is the market cap of 19 million US dollars compared to other projects is too cheap. But we never know. I covered this project in another or two other videos. You can see this in the list below. Okay. There is another project. It's called MELD. MELD, they have a maximum supply of 4 billion token. It means you are already a whale having 200,000 MELD. Okay, 90,000 US dollar. That's a lot. What does MELD do? Literally, MELD is a bank. You can use your crypto, Bitcoin or ADA or whatever you hold, you can use this as collateral and can lend fiat money against it. Another project is XRAY. There is, in theory, a maximum supply of 400 million XRAY token. They will burn those tokens. They could not distribute in their ISPO. They have probably the longest lasting ISPO. It's already running for months, and it still is ongoing until Epoch 500, so more than 1 year. And those tokens, they could not distribute, they will burn. But I will do the calculation with 400 millions. It costs you 860 US dollar to be a whale there. What is Ray? Ray is a wallet, same like Giro wallet. And Ray as well will be a DEX. And this DEX will be integrated in the wallet. That's pretty good. Okay, exchange is not yet launched. It probably will take another month, maybe half a year, I don't know. They as well have an NFT, XRAY, which boosts your yield. And the Ray project offers you much more than just being an DEX. As I said before, it is a wallet. NFT marketplace would be integrated into wallet. So it's pretty innovative what they are doing. Giro wallet, is the next project. 500 million tokens maximum supply, and you might be a whale buying this Giro token for around about 3,000, a little bit more than 3,000 US dollars. And then there is Sundaeswap. Probably everybody knows Sundaeswap. You need 7,500 US dollars to be a whale. Okay. There are lots of undervalued projects around in Cardano. If you just compare the market cap, you can do this. I did it here using the Sealife matrix. Okay. I hope you like my approach. It's a little bit otherwise. Literally, it's similar like the market cap. If you like it, give it a like, or better, subscribe my channel. I'm planning some videos in the near future covering very small and very innovative projects on the Cardano chain. So if you subscribe to the channel, you will never miss one of them. All right? Have a nice day. Always stay safe, and see you later.